Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. An amazing room mat can be transformative addition to your home's interior design, offering both functional and aesthetics. Today's room mat go beyond mere flower coverings; they are essential element creating a comfortable and inviting living space. One of the remarkable aspects of modern room mats is the very array of materials available, whether you prefer the soft and plush feel of shaggy rugs underfoot or the sleek elegance of a wool or silk rug. There are options to cater every taste and style. Natural materials like jute and sisal are also gaining popularity, bringing an earthy organic touch to home decor. In terms of design, room mats come in an astonishing variety of patterns, color, and textures, from intricate Persian rugs to contemporary geometric designs. They are made to complement any interior theme. Bold and vibrant mats can act as a statement pieces, adding a pop of color to a room, while neutral options provide versatility and can be together different design elements. Functionally is equally important. Mats help define spaces with an open floor mat, create a cozy atmosphere, and provide a warmth underfoot during colder months. Additionally, they perfect your flooring from wear and tear, reduce maintenance costs in the long run. Some mats are even designed with advanced features like anti-slip backing or stain-resistant materials, adding to their practicality. Moreover, room mats can play a role in a sound absorption, improving acoustics in a room. This is particularly valuable in homes and with hard flooring surfaces like tile or hardwood, so it can be reduced ensuing and making conversation more comfortable. In summary, an amazing room mat is more than just a piece of decor. It's a versatile and functional addition to your home. It has the power to enhance the overall aesthetics, comfort, and functionality of a room, making it must-have element in modern interior design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.